store. It's Sunday specs, so it's gonna look nice only.
Can you please go that
I
side?
also want to try a good aviator also. Yeah. This is too big to me.
Okay, man. चले iPhone वाली मिल रहा है तो 10
That was one dollar that I got. I'll go for this. The MK ones. Yeah. I think for the Suchi more. Yeah. This is Garima Jain, and today I'm here at Gogles, Charming Job, Delhi, for the launch of Sunday's store. And here are a few collections that I really like, especially the one, this one. I can actually wear and show it to you guys. It's from a brand called Gucci, and I absolutely love it. And then there's a classic MK Michael Kors that I loved. And since this is the night store, I'm hoping to at least pick 9 of them. And I know my mom will kill me with this, but I hope I could take like more 90 from here.